Okay, guys, I am back. Okay, get started. How to maneuver today. I can knock out most of all this stuff. Yeah, look at my babies. I had took all these pictures off my wall. Picture frame, but the virus started. It just messed everything up. Yep, so now I guess I'm just gonna try to put them all in a picture book. Have so many pictures. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get them all together, just put them in a picture book or something. I don't know. I will figure it out. See you guys in a minute. Let's get started. Oh shoot, I don't know where to put my sheets. And this should be real quick. This should not take that long. getting there. So far I have 2, 3, 4 bags already. Then I have over here winter clothes sheets. Clothes, I put some, I think this is the winter stuff in there. Sheets, I got so many sheets. I think I'm just gonna put all the sheets in here. Then put all the blankets in here. I got so many, I have no space for them. Then I have that blanket down there. Those are new clothes. I am gonna take those to like the park and give away. These are just teddy bears. And a few toys in there. But yeah, I'm getting there. It's getting there. I am getting there. And then in here, my address. Yeah, I'm getting there. As I go through the shoes, throw the shoes away. Yeah, I'm getting there. That TV work. I don't know about that. I don't know that way. It's gonna still go in the garbage if it don't work. Cause I don't have nowhere to put all this stuff. And I'm gonna move this in the kitchen. That thing is so old. Only lucky is his mama, cause it would have been gone. I don't know. It might still go. I don't know. And that is I think they 50th year anniversary thing up there. But, yeah, I'm getting there. I know we're sure gonna move this to the kitchen. We probably need to refurbish it a little something. But yeah, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. There's a lot of shoes in there I'm throwing away. Then all the pictures. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I guess put them in a picture book. The virus just messed up what I was gonna do with them. And I might take that down. That's his mama's. I might take that down and move that in the living room. I don't know. I'm just gonna make this out of my little computer room. I can't wait to open my present that I got for Mother's Day. So yeah, I'm getting there. I'm gonna throw that away. I think I'm done with Christmas. If I do want to celebrate, I'll probably get a little small tree or something. But I think I'm done with Christmas. But yeah, let's get in there. See you in a minute. Okay, you guys, I did it. Look. Wow, I did it. I just gotta throw that TV away. That got a whole bunch of mail. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that TV works. And yeah, I did. That's going in the garbage. I did it. So I'll clear it out. And here go the stuff. Teddy bears, toys. This is... I'm gonna put blanket shit. I got a whole bunch of blankets places. Shoes that I'm gonna keep. Underclothes. This is stuff that we're gonna use now. Hopefully I can find some room in my dresser drawers. I doubt it. And those the bags. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4. I told them 6 too. They look like it's 6. Yeah, 6. Right on the nose. Yeah, I told them they wouldn't know this bag. I think gonna go with the new stuff. I know who I'm gonna give it to. It's like new stuff. It's 5. And I still got a lot of other places I need to go to, but yeah, I did it. Yeah, winter clothes, sheets, shoes, blankets. Hopefully I can find somewhere to put all this stuff. Okay, you guys, I'll be back.